Welcome to our FRM journey. So if you are here, you are in either just started your FRM part 1 or you have enrolled for our FRM video lessons. So if you are attending my live classes or in-person classes here in Chennai, very welcome. And if you are joining us remotely through our video, I'm going to send another link where I talk to you about what are the best pathways to study FRM part 1. If you are attending my class live, then just stick to the customized plan that I am following. So maybe sometimes I will start with book 2, and that is fine, the quantitative methods, and then we will go into risk and valuation, then come. So depending on the pathway that I am teaching, just follow that. Just make sure that you are able to watch these videos apart from attending the classes. If you have doubts, do come back here, watch the videos and take the module test. I cannot stress it enough. Make sure you practice every day at least 10 questions, right? So if you're preparing for 6 months, that is already almost 2,000 questions that you would have practiced. So at the very minimum, you do that. And once you're done with a particular book, take a full-length topic test. Make sure you are getting 70%. If not, review and take another test. Reach out to the admin and she will be able to give you the access to the module test. Okay. Also, please remember, this is an issue that a lot of the students are facing, is that they will be logging into this LMS and then they find that the video is private. All you have to do is just log into YouTube with the same Gmail ID you provided us. If you are using a browser, log into the browser. If you're using a phone, wherever you are accessing the learning portal, make sure you're also logged into the YouTube with the same email ID. If you have any doubts, feel free to reach out to us during class. If you have any other issues, definitely contact our support staff, our admin, and they will be happy to help you with that. All right, all the very best. Welcome aboard.